It just happened. OpenAI dropped GPT-5. But here's the question no one's asking. What happens when we can't control what we build? This isn't just a smarter chatbot. It's a thinking machine. And OpenAI didn't just show us what it can do, they showed us what's coming next. GPT-5 is OpenAI's most powerful model yet. It's smarter than GPT-4, more accurate, and it doesn't just respond. It reasons. For the first time ever, this AI can pause, spend more compute, and think harder before answering. That's called test time compute. And it's the closest thing to human-like problem solving we have seen in an AI. Here's what's different. It reasons better than most humans. You can customize its personality, tools, and interface. It connects to Gmail, Calendar, Slack, and more. When it refuses to answer, it explains why. And it comes in 3 versions: GPT-5, 5 Mini, and 5 Nano. Even OpenAI's live stream showed it rewriting emails, solving math, and generating workflows all live. This isn't a chatbot upgrade. It's the launch of a digital mind. It writes code, handles your inbox, creates pitch decks, YouTube scripts, and legal summaries. Microsoft plugged it into 365 Copilot and GitHub Copilot on day 1. Developers already have access through the API. And for pro users, GPT-5 is now your full stack productivity machine. Voice mode just got a major glow up. It's smoother, human, almost airy. You don't feel like you are using a tool, you feel like you are in a conversation. Pro users, they now get unlimited advanced voice access, no throttling. But here's the twist. Voice mode still runs on GPT-4o, not GPT-5. Yet, somehow, it sounds like someone you know. That's not voice, that's mimicry. Is GPT-5 AGI? No. But for the first time, we saw an AI reason, justify, and explain its own behavior. That's not just intelligence, that's cognition. This model doesn't just speak. It understands what it's doing and why. We just stepped onto the on-ramp to AGI, whether we are ready or not. GPT-5 is more persuasive, more believable, more confident, and that makes it more dangerous. Because when it's wrong, it doesn't stutter, it doesn't hesitate. It says the wrong thing perfectly, and you will believe it. This AI can now automate decisions across emails, documents, and tools. So, what happens when it makes a mistake? At scale? If we can't stop it? Did we ever control it? This is the moment AI truly leveled up. GPT-5 isn't coming, it's here. And it's already in your browser, your inbox, your IDE. You can use it, you can build with it, or you can ignore it and fall behind. Because this model, it just took the first step. The next one might not ask for permission.